what's new, what's blue, leave it down in the comments down below because I would like to know how you guys are doing today. I am pre-recording this video, so this video is going to be recorded on the 8th, I believe it is, instead of the 9th. I don't know what day it is. But this is another Vlogmas video. Yay! I tried to record this video today, so technically when this video comes up tomorrow, it'll be yesterday. So I tried to record this video, that's why I'm wearing the same clothes as I'm wearing in yesterday's video. It's kind of confusing. The reason why is because I forgot the vlog clips from the previous day on my phone, so it kept on cutting out. And so when I finally figured it out, I'm just like, you know what, I'll record a different video and then I'll record this video again today because I still have some left over from when I created the treats, so I'm going to have double of them. So in this video we are going to be making the DIY gingerbread houses for my hamsters, so they will be pet safe. I already got a pre-made ball, so I will show you guys the ball, but before I do, I'm going to put in a little bit of a clip so that you guys can see what we are going to need for this recipe. So just bear with me here. So here's the ball that I was talking about in the intro there. This is the ball that is the remainder from the leftovers from making the other ones. I am going to make them a bit better than they look now. So yeah, so the whole process I'm going to speed up, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it rolled out and get them all cut out because it does take quite a bit of time to do that, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, so I have all the pieces cut out. Here are the back walls. Right there. I think that the roofs look a little lopsided, but I can fix that. I have the roof panels here. There's 4 of them, 2 for each house. And then I have the front panels here. And then I have the side panels right here, 2 each. So I am going to pop these into the oven at 300 degrees for 10 minutes. So that's 10 minutes, no more, no less. And then we're going to let them sit on the pan for about 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes so that they can harden and go from there.
And then...
Do you have something to say?
I made a snow angel. It's all angel-y.
It is an angel.
Now we go get the food coloring.
Dustin made a snow angel and he wants to grab the food coloring.
He's gonna color my snow angel.
Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Here is the finished products. Here's the first one. Well, that's the second one, but first one, second one. Yeah. Hang on, I gotta put you guys down because the wall kind of collapsed a little. Just gotta pull it back. There we go. Okay, so here's the first one. And here is the second one. So I used some of the Extreme Tropical Treats for the top, and I used some pellets for this one on the front, and just a sunflower seed on the front for this. These ones are falling apart though. I did make some earlier that kind of stuck a little bit better, and what I used for glue is Vitacraft yogurt drops. You can use any yogurt drops. You just gotta melt them in the microwave for like 20 seconds and then you're good. But yeah, so other than that, if you liked this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you did, leave a friendly comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!